Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you on how to write a hello world using object-oriented programming in Python programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here series of comments. So to declare an object-oriented program in Python, we use the keyword class hello world colon, and then we initialize the message hello world here dev init self message hello world. And then to display, we call this another method, no, display underscore message self print self message. In this line of code, we create an object. So what is the object? Hello. Then calling the class here hello world. And then to call the message underscore display message method to show hello world message here, we call the object that is hello. And then the method, no, display underscore message, no? So it will display hello world. Okay, let us run our code. So to run a program in Python in command line, we simply type python space hello underscore world dot py together with the extension. Press enter key. Okay, so we have here the output hello world. Okay guys, so this is the end of my tutorial video on how to create a hello world program using object-oriented programming in Python programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.